Hello, welcome to Winter Trends. Before we commence with the video, like, subscribe and share. Thank you. These are fenugreek seeds and they can help you lose weight. It's important to follow a holistically nourishing and nutrient-rich diet to stay fit and lose weight. There are also some excellent kitchen aids that can also boost weight loss. Fenugreek seeds is one of them. Also known as Methi locally, the tiny yellow seeds are packed with nutrition values and fat loss-aiding powers. Fenugreek seeds have been used for centuries for its therapeutic and medicinal properties. Containing a whole load of fiber, iron, vitamin A and D, these tiny seeds can also facilitate weight loss when consumed in the right manner. Methi seeds contain a good amount of insoluble fiber, which is crucial for good digestion and helps get rid of toxins that may get accumulated. Secondly, as a superfood, it also helps control blood sugar levels in check and may even manage inflammation, which is both linked to weight gain and management. In the long run, fenugreek seeds also help improve metabolism and insulin resistance. There's yet another way it can help you tone up. According to experts, galactomannan, a water-soluble heteropolysaccharide found in fenugreek seeds, aids weight loss by reducing fat accumulation. Therefore, its rich health benefits are reason enough for you to try them and consume them regularly. If you wish to use them for your benefit, we tell you the best ways to consume them for weight loss. The most popular way to consume fenugreek seeds for weight loss is to have them first thing in the morning, mixed with water. All you need to do is to soak a tablespoon of Methi in room temperature water overnight. Alternatively, you can boil the seeds in water and drink it after straining it. It also works amazingly well as a detoxifying agent, which can clear your stomach in the morning and provide a fresh start. Plus, it's a zero-calorie drink. Note, you can choose to either chew the soaked seeds or filter them out, just having the water. It's best to have it empty stomach. For better results, it can also be had twice a day. Fenugreek tea is also a good option to have if you wish to have a low-calorie drink that keeps extra flab away. The best part about the drink is the addition of fat-cutting ingredients, which just double up the benefits and detoxify you instantly. All you need are a spoonful of Methi, a piece of cinnamon stick and ginger for this. Boil water on the saucepan, 1.5 cups, and add the 3 ingredients. Simmer down and strain. Your drink will be ready in under 5 minutes and requires no sugar too. Both ginger and cinnamon are known to be weight loss aids since they help tame down inflammation and induce satiety in the body. Plus, they are both packed with vitamins and minerals good for the body. Have this refreshing, soothing tea 2 to 3 times a week for good results. Follow these instructions for guaranteed results. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.